today. Ghana for a light, assign ecofombium. Akosombo Dam now, and then you had the backbone of Ghana electricity. It's in crisis. Why? Because the equipment has been destroyed. And your government, you know, what buying Mahama, no, he's silent about this. Who is going to tell Ghanaians the truth? I will do it right here. Right now, I'm going to tell you what actually has happened. Maybe can't the SC INAM Sunti IN light. Let's go straight to what is happening in Ghana's power grid. In Ghana's power, what is happening? Ghana's power grid is collapsing again. Under Mahama administration, the Akosombo hydroelectric dam, which produces a major portion of the Ghana electricity, has been hit by a fire. Equipment damaged, capacity reduced, and yet the energy minister waited days before making a statement to the Ghanaian public. Now, Semobe Kaya and this in Hamza Suhuni and the NDC went on saying, they are doing maintenance, routine maintenance. Akosombo is on fire and they are calling it routine. That is an insult to every Ghanaian who sat in darkness in 2015 and 2016 and is sitting in the darkness again today. This is an insult. Now, let me show you a timeline because date, date it matters a lot. And Ghanaian people deserve to hear the truth. In early, Timiyepa, I feel where I will me, Nashasiano, the Water River Authority, a warning say there is a problem with the Akosombo infrastructure. Early this year, early 2026, and I share that ball, a binary man say there is a problem at the Akosombo Dam. Sasem we are making a documented. Sasem way a public record. But my question may be say, who received that warning? Why na sa warning no ekonanim? Why and I hear then ye shed an anti-corn and chenko born a man ye. Na sa nipa na ekoka yeko born a man ye no. Dien and all you're the far home. While the government, abroad the Ghana government, the government of Ghana today is out there busy celebrating economic growth figure. And yes, they love to quote us say Ghana, a GDP figure is growing by 5.5. The physical infrastructure of this country was deteriorating. You cannot eat the GDP numbers when your factory is shut down because there is no light. You cannot drink GDP TME when your hospital generators fails because ECG has failed you for the eighth time this month. Saying name Kamal Dina Abdullahi or say electricity in Ghana is not only unreliable, it is expensive. Ghanaians are paying more and getting less and being told to be patient. How long must we be patient? Mahama came to power promising to solve Dumsuor, not to continue with Dumsuor. But now, what is going on? Before we continue, let's answer a bit commune mono. Me pese mankind adie. This is what I'm quoting directly from His Excellency John Mahama in 2024, before the election. He said, and I quote, "When I come back, Dumsuor will be a thing of the past." Remember that, because what I'm about to show you next will make you feel, ashamed. Now let's go deep into it. The truth is that the NDC government inherited a power sector that had been stabilized under the MPP government. Terminal plants were running. I mean the IPPs, independent power producers, they were paid. The Akosombo Dam reservoir was being managed, and now the IPP debt are mounting again. What does Sumune say? Let me tell you the truth. And I could say, "Oh, light now to who know." A Ghana bind into me, Sikantia, or more produce Caniano, on to me, Sikan from Piaonka. The VRA, Volta River Authority workers, they are also raising alarm. Apart from say the independent power producers, Munyo Musicano, the VRA also is the workers too are crying. Say they are not being paid. They cannot get their salaries. And the energy minister is going on TV to give excuses, transformer replacement and schedules and the Dumsuor. It is not about transformers. So this is about the government that spent the entire election campaigning and lying to Ghanaians about the readiness to govern. They had no plan for the energy. They had no single plan about our economy. They are now proving it, and Ghanaians are the one paying the price. And now let's go. And now let me tell you something else. Why Asiedun Katia and the ECG are telling you to stop lying about Dumsuor? Yes, the NDC own general secretary is now fighting with ECG. The lies are still off in your homes, in your house. That tells you everything you need to know about who is in charge of this situation. If this information is opening your eyes, please just like the video, subscribe, and hit the love button. Now let's go deep into it. Now, some will say, but Ras, this is a structural problem. It started before Mahama, and I will agree with you. Ghana energy problem is a structural. It is about underinvestment going back decades. It is about the fact that Ghana industrial ambitions are outpacking what the grip can supply. Dr. Joshua Zito is right. We need AI. We need the modern investment. We need innovation. Because you that Dr. Baumia Kai says here, two Abaman be president here. Well, what is going on in the energy sector, and he was willing to bring in solar panels so the cost of electricity in the country. Yantiasie, Esia Pedokono, and then Chinam and idea, and a koto abadema Mahama, and any. Either way, John Mahama and the NDC must be held accountable for this. They must be held accountable now, not tomorrow, not after another inquiry. It's now that the Mahama administration might explain to Ghanaians, say, I didn't hear any time that he comes in power, Ghana suffer from Dumsuor. Why? Yeah, Naset Ken, Michelle Yepa. John Mahama must explain to Ghanaians, how come any time that he is in power, our energy sector goes in trouble? Now let's go. So here is where I stand. This is what they are measuring here. This is where I stand. The Akosombo fire is not just a technical incident. It is a symbol of government that was not ready, or of a president who made promises that he cannot keep, of a country that deserves better than what is getting now. Ghana deserves a government that manages infrastructure, that pays its debt to produce power. A government that genuinely invest in the energy sector before the crisis comes, because the crisis doesn't know neither NDC or MPP. Here is Rush Media. If you like the video, you can touch the subscription button, like button, so that you become part of this beautiful family. I was saying there, and some media brewe. One kasa, ubetumi atranse ofie, na wadwene ho, na wababai ho, na wahu de ekọ. Sema meka ye nyina, profudo do ameka ye nyina. Asitire nyina ne se, Dumsuor na ye wo mu ene, e wo man nom no. A yesi MPP fo na kotwa atum. Yesi prambre bi e na akote wa ye bim. The reality of the fact is say nkrofo na mo produce light energy in the Ghana Greeko for no. The Ghana government is not paying them and they are shouting their plants down. Akosombo dam no incident na esi ho no. It is because of recklessness. You can't say because John Mahama was alerted. He was informed many time ago, said there was a problem at the Akosombo Dam, but they refused to go there because they don't care. They don't care. The Omuhian say, Omubeti on mining sikano, and the akoye stability of inflation. Now omoti dem ebo omobo munsem emo. That is what they care. Because enka omofa ho a abra wa wo so ba be 24-hour economy ntinu Uhian light, even as you don't get your promise, companies said they are going to give them a cheaper light in the night. Say no crepa, and instead of John Mahama to sit in the Jubilee House and enjoying, he would have go to the Akosombo side when he was informed. Said there was a problem there, but they never took any consideration of that. And then they said transformers. And omo fix it. Bra omo boa omo de ka omo ntumi ntua me ka ne yie na wate ne yie e ka na omo de. But the only say because many of those power producers na omo kronum no, they were brought in by the NDC government. So mbe kai bra yete say NDC aban akofa take or pay abano. That time among the many power producers by Omainum. And because they are people that were brought in the country by the NDC, they are not talking about it. But they don't want to continue producing because they are not earning money. The government is not paying them. That is the main reason why you are sleeping in the night, in the dark. Even though Yama Utia Sika, even though Okoto, you can say Okoto 1 liter of petrol biana. Yeju 1 cedi no. You are still sleeping in the dark, and they cannot pay for the IPP people. But then, and this neighbor say, you see a brosana to do wakra and amalat huayena. And this neighbor say, and that MPP for Aquacosia Kosumbo or Mopoa, it is a lie. Yes, MPP for Premier Juma or ECG, they are sabotaging the government. The truth of all is what I have told you here. That is point blank. Yet also me no. Sasikana ayera wo Bank of Ghana hono. Now I don't know why John Mahama will give such honorable position to a thief. Kromfo a sebio yedina kojina nipa doma nim se wa bokro no. Na John Mahama timi hwe nipa nyina nim epaja Ghana man yesika ne ye bank ne yesika korabre enyuma nyina de kohye kromfo nte saa ne nsa. Ebeye dan na nema ne nkoni bone so. Into that 15.6 billion lost no. A mismanagement because ye PSC can go the private banks no temiye. Another the bank the I can say the financial sector clean up no. Na the central bank and na it was the private banks and an edeka. And Nadia, a was central bank and the Kaudia Trahose Bibiako ye. Odia Traho. Meso Odia Traho, se Bibiako ye. That is what they want to tell you. They want you to believe that everything is going on well. But till you find yourself, then you are in the ditch where you can never and ever rise up again. Abusia Medin, any Ras Media GH.